How to log into Henry Ford Employee Portal. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into Henry Ford Employee Portal. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, and from your browser you can just search for Henry Ford Employee Login and then tap on the search bar. Once you do that, you can just tap on the first link that you see here, that is workforceconnect.hfs.org. So it will take you directly to the employee login. You're going to have to provide your user ID here and then your password. Once you do that, just tap on this sign in button. And if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to sign in without any problem. If you are having any trouble, you can directly contact the IT department. Just tap on this link here to reset your password. Now here you're going to have to provide your corp ID and then tap on this CAPTCHA to complete it. Once you do that, you can verify your account and then reset your password. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.